This is the domain and range homework check. Just a reminder, have your journal handy as you can refer to it. It's kind of like a cheat sheet. For this homework check, you will need to complete the questions. If you need to work out a problem, use a scrap piece of paper. Read this first. If you have to use set notations or brackets anywhere, use the keys highlighted below and add no spaces added anywhere. Enter your last name, your first name, and choose your class period. Number 1, the range of a relation is also known as, and check as many boxes as you need to. So the range is an independent variable, output, x-coordinate, input, dependent variable, y-coordinate. Number 2, the domain of a relation is also known as, and again, select as many boxes as you need to, the domain, independent variable, output, x-coordinate, input, dependent variable, y-coordinate. Number 3, which of these is the dependent variable? The cost of a phone bill. The number of minutes is used. So think about which one depends upon the other one. The cost of the phone bill or the number of minutes used. Number 4, again, which one is the dependent variable? Final test score, number of hours studied. Which is the dependent? Which one depends upon the other? Final test score or number of hours studied? Number 5, asking for the independent, the one that's causing the change. Amount a flower is watered, length of time it lives. Which is the independent variable? Amount a flower is watered or the length of time it lives? Number 6 through 9, determine whether each scenario would be best represented by a discrete or continuous graph. Check the option that applies. Use your journal. Marla earns $10 an hour babysitting. So think about it. An hour. Is it discrete or continuous? Number 7, Evan gets paid $7 for each lawn he mows. Discrete or continuous? Number 8, the candy store sells ring pops for 5 cents each. Discrete or continuous? Number 6, the grocery store sells grapes by the pound. Discrete or continuous? Number 7, what are the 3 rules for writing domain and range in a relation? Check all that apply. To use parentheses, least to greatest, include all numbers, set notation, no repeats. Number 8, use the relation to write the domain. The domain. Use the correct notation and no spaces. So find the domain in these ordered pairs: 2, -3, 4, -3, -4, 2, 0, 2. Write the domain. Number 9, you may want to use a scrap piece of paper to first identify the ordered pairs. So write down, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ordered pairs you should write down. Once you're done writing the ordered pairs, use the relation to write the range. Okay, so write the ordered pairs and then write the range. Use the correct notation and no spaces. Number 10, use the relation to write the range. Use the correct notation and no spaces. In this table, you have the x and the y, so you have -6, 2, -1, -1, 1, 4, 5, 4, 7, -4. Number 10, use the relation to write the domain. Use the correct notation and no spaces.